Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel, Soul Seed Tarot. Hope you all are doing well, happy, and healthy. So, today we are going to continue our monthly series for July 2025, and today we are going to do a reading for Gemini. I have already done a video for Aries and Taurus. You can check that on my channel. Moreover, I have posted a lot of shorts for every zodiac signs for July 2025. You can check that as well. So, today we are going to cover Gemini. Before we start, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please tell your friends and family as well to subscribe. As the followers and subscribers increase, I'll post more and more videos, most probably every day. And I have linked my Instagram in the description box. You can follow that as well for more readings, more shorts that may resonate to you or your situation. So, Gemini, please keep in mind these are going to be general readings. All the messages may or may not resonate with you. Please keep the ones that resonate and leave the rest. With that, let's start your reading, Gemini. So, for July 2025, we are going to check your overall energies. We are also going to check your business, your job, career, and finance, your health, and your love life. Let me just adjust these cards so that everything comes in the frame. Okay. So, Gemini, we have Five of Swords in reverse for you as your overall energies. There is a reconciliation, there is a sign of peaceful resolution of a situation, a relationship with someone. There was a verbal argument kind of situation. You said something, the other person said something, and that was not a pleasant situation. You both hurt each other, you both hurt each other's sentiments. Maybe there was some miscommunication. You said some things that you really didn't mean. All those kind of situations are going to clear up, and you're going to have a clear cut communication with someone. If you did not mean anything that you said, I see you being a mature person and clarifying your actual thoughts to the other person. You may come for a mutual agreement where both of you will be agreeing to do some degree of compromise, like they are coming one step closer and so are you. So you both are kind of interested in finding a resolution, finding a common ground for both of you. It is going to be a healthy conversation, a communication, and further on, your bond is going to get stronger and more healthy. So, that was your overall energies. Let's see your business scenario. We have Eight of Swords in reverse. Okay. I can say Your overall energy is kind of reflecting in your business scenario as well. You're lifting some kind of heavy burden. You're leaving something behind. Like, I sense there was an energy of self sabotage, like you criticized yourself. Leave about others, you criticized yourself. You had a lot of fear. You, like, you thought you lack potential. You thought that you are not capable enough to handle this business, or capable enough to take a bold action, a bold decision. Okay, first off, you're going to work on that. You're going to fix that situation first. You're working from within, from yourself. Okay, your first step is stop criticizing yourself and showing more belief and love to yourself. You're showing a lot of strength, like a mentally strong person. That is your aura in this situation. Let's see how it is going to impact your business, how it is beneficial. And okay, Three of Pentacles, Four of Wands, and the Lover's card. Okay, first off, you maybe you thought you are not good for a business deal. Maybe you thought there are more, mm, how do I say, market giants who can take over this task, you can crack this deal. Like, you are not the best in the market. That is what you thought. Okay, but as soon as I see you getting an offer from another business partner, or you see an opportunity to grab a business deal, you are leaving that negative thinking behind. That is the first thing you're doing. And you're putting in a lot of work to crack this deal, to find a balance in this deal, how it is going to be beneficial to you and to the other business as well. I think this is a very big, a huge business deal. Like, your upcoming business partner, it is like a huge business tycoon. Okay, this is a huge business deal coming in for you, Gemini, in July 2025. And I see you taking the right action in this situation. You're using your logic, you're using your full potential, and you're putting in a lot of hard work towards it. And this is a very good time period for you, Gemini, in July. Wow, I did not see that. Like, from the beginning of the reading, I did not see this business situation going this way, but this is a huge deal coming in for you, Gemini. If it resonates, if it really actually happens, please come back and comment in the comment section below that something like this really happened. Okay, your hard work and dedication is going to give you a business deal of lifetime. Okay, this is a very good sign, Gemini. Moving on to your job, career, and finance, we have Knight of Swords. I see a lot of potential, a lot of dedication, passion, and hard work, proactiveness. You're taking things like fast. You're putting in a lot of efforts. You're very much disciplined. You're focused. That is the situation in July 2025. If Gemini, if you were feeling lazy, you were procrastinating, you were delaying your pending tasks, in July, exactly the opposite thing is going to happen. You're going to jump in and take up work and finish it as soon as possible with perfection. Also, moreover, you are waiting for opportunities as well. Like, you're waiting with a lot of passion and preparedness. You are already prepared. You're just waiting for that one opportunity that clicks, and you'll show the world how much capable you are. Three of Cups, Nine of Swords in reverse, and the Nine of Wands. Okay, you're waiting, and I see you leaving all the fear behind. You're not thinking, you're not like, you're no longer thinking about negativity, or maybe if other people don't hire you or they don't like you, if you cannot crack the interview, all those thoughts, you're leaving those thoughts behind, and you are moving on with a lot of confidence. You're looking into the eyes of the opponent, or you can say with a lot of courage. I know this is just a business situation. You don't need to be as much, like a fighter. Okay, you don't need to be, you don't need to act like a fighter, but that is your internal energy. Your inner self is telling you to fight, is telling you to take action. Something is not going to let you sit there. That is your inner calling. Just sitting there relaxing, no, you're not going to do that, because you're more focused on grabbing opportunities. Also, Gemini, see if you can crack an interview, like, or maybe you can get a job or some reference through network. Like, your friend knows somebody, your ex colleagues know somebody, your relatives know somebody, like your network chain. Sit with them, talk with them, and maybe slip in your word that you're looking for a job. Maybe you can get an opportunity, you can get a call, or somebody may direct you onto a path that will lead you to the right job or workplace that you really want. Discuss, share your, I'm not saying it to be like, I'm not saying you to be needy, like asking for a job, requesting, asking for help. No, not like that. Just slip in your words, like, okay, I'm looking for another job. Maybe you can just say, I'm good at so and so things. Maybe people will be interested to hire you. Maybe they need those skills at the right time, at the right place, in front of, like, to the right people. You have to take care of these things, like right place, right timing, and to the right people. This message of yours should reach. Okay. Hmm. That is a very good reading for July 2025, job, career, business, and finance wise. Gemini, this is a very good reading. Moreover, if somebody was struggling in their finances, like you like were jobless since a long time, or you just lost your job, something like that, you are going to get another opportunity. You're going to recover from that situation, because we have Five of Swords in reverse in the overall energies, we have Eight of Swords in reverse in your business, and we have Nine of Swords in reverse in your job. So overall, if I see, yes, there is a chance of recovery. there's definitely a chance of recovery, and I see you grabbing that opportunity of recovery. Okay, moving on to your health, Gemini, we have Knight of Pentacles. There is a lot of productivity, hard work, Seven of Pentacles in reverse, Five of Cups in reverse, and Two of Pentacles. Okay, Gemini, you can just wow, wow. If I read the cards, Gemini, you are not looking at a long-term goal health-wise. You are looking how I can keep myself healthy at this moment. Like, you're not like, I'll hit the gym and after 2 years I'll have a beautiful figure or something like that. No, you're not focusing on that. You're focusing on day by day, each day, how you can improve. If today you walked for like 1 kilometers, you are going to increase that on the second day. How you know going on the ladder of success, that is your goal. One by one, bit by bit, you're slowly changing your eating habits, what you are eating, what you're feeding your body. You're trying to find a balance. What kind of balance you're trying to, I see you trying to find a balance in your work life, professional life, personal life, and your health. You're trying to balance everything out, because you know you have to start a journey somewhere, and you are starting it from yourself. As I said earlier, you are trying to start it from yourself, and you are trying to focus on your health first. First comes health. You're keeping yourself healthy. You're focusing a lot on your nutrition and your strength. Then you're focusing on your mental health. Then you're focusing on your work and everything else and your personal life, so that you can fix everything out. Fix everything, like, I don't want to say it, but yeah, you want to put your shit together. Okay, that's the overall energy in July 2025. Wow, Gemini, I know Geminis were like acting so much lazy, procrastinating. If you could just sit down and relax and maybe sleep, and you didn't have to do any work, something like that, that kind of energy was there for Gemini. But that energy is going to change. There's a lot of discipline and focus. If you were living your life very much obliviously, now you're going to put, how do I say, you're going to notice everything. You're going to put your efforts in every situation, in yourself first. Okay, so health wise, otherwise, I see, if somebody had a issue, a long running issue, I see you having a good time in July. I don't see people having any trouble in July 2025 health wise. Moving on to your love life, Gemini, why there is a Nine of Cups in reverse. Okay, I don't want to say it, but yeah, Gemini, in July 2025, somebody from your past is going to pay you a visit. You may or may not like it, and that will push you more to focus on yourself. That will push you more to love yourself. For you, you come first. It is going to be a little bit tough for few people because we have the Six of Cups and upright here. So if somebody comes, you are going to reciprocate to their energy. You're going to like entertain them for a little while, or maybe you're just going to get lured into their words. Like you are focusing on your recovery, on yourself, and your ex comes back. You're going to be like, oh wow, they're back, I'm so happy now. But you are going to listen to your callings. Your angels are guiding you. Your angels are there for you. They are constantly watching you and they are helping you to shape your life. And as soon as they see you getting distracted, your angels are going to guide you. Like universe is going to guide you to recover from this 10 of swords energy. Like you felt like hurt, heartbroken, stabbed in the back. You felt like that in the past, but you're no longer going to get stuck in that situation. You are going to recover from it. Even if this past person comes back to you, or even if you are thinking about this person once in a while, or maybe they're just there in your mind, still you're going to recover from it because you want to focus on yourself. You want to do something that is right for you. You're not focusing on making others happy. You're focusing on making yourself happy. I don't see any other way to read it, Gemini, for you. I hope it comes in the frame. Okay. Okay, it's fine. Okay, Gemini, that's all I had for you. If you need a separate reading or any clarification on any situation of your life, if you want a separate reading for your job, career, finance, or your love life, please comment that in the comment section below and I shall do a separate video for that. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please help me grow my channel so that I can give you some guidance, some message that you need, that may come helpful for you. Okay, that's all I had for you. Thank you so much for joining. We will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.